uLazarus asked Zoleka to marry him again, and this time around she said yes. In a romantic Valentine's Day setup, siyatshadiswa kwaBhikitsha Ncukana. Thumeka packed and left uHlathi. After Qhawe brought Bavumile to the house, Lillian and Linda got arrested for fraud, and Qhawe dumped Onga in front of Mawethu. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Qhawe stole Bavumile and brought him to Hlathi, a Cosmo. Hlathi was so happy to see Bavumile, even said ukuthi umnyana wami oseseleyo. Kanti uThumeka is at the door listening to all this. She was heartbroken when they realized that Thumeka was standing there. uQhawe took Bavumile, said her goodbyes and left. And then uThumeka, uHlathi was trying to explain ukuthi uQhawe decided to surprise me ngoba Vumile at ewe unyana wakho siyekileyo. This is the son that you've always wanted, right? uLikamva was right. Ube right uLikamva all this time. uHlathi was like, no man, don't talk like that, because when went on about you, vele uBavumile is the son that you've always wanted. uLikamva was right. She decided, let me just go pack ndimshiye uHlathi, because this man will never choose me. uHlathi is shocked with her. Why are you packing? What's going on? Kwenzakalani Thumeka wendishiya? Athi ewe, like all this time I've been living in the shadow your life yakho noZoleka. But I realized ukuthi yazini, I need to accept ukuthi my marriage is either I live in a happy marriage or accept that it will always be a wish. So nje ndiyahamba. Told uYanga to pack, and they packed again. Now the Mabandlas come to try and convince Thumeka not to leave, saying uchatile phela wena Limisa, you can't just leave your marriage. uLimisa athi yeyi Buthula ndiyawuchiya lo mshado. uNtsiki was even speechless, saying ukuthi hawu nje sihlanganyezwa ngebheke, what's going on. uThumeka left uHlathi ke. UHlathi usele in a big house with nothing, busy remembering memories of the past. Qhawe gets home, uZoleka is throwing a fit ukuthi uphi uBavumile. She gets home and she says ukuthi she took Bavumile to see utatakhe because uHlathi was down, she's grieving, akakho right. uZoleka athi, yeah, you took my child to go see uHlathi. Athi, yes, I went there to save utatami. When uThumeka was drowning, everyone came through for her and tried to do an intervention for her. But who's there for my dad? No one. Akekho umuntu or there for utatami. And uLazarus was like, do you understand because we were panicking because of what happened in the past, and you took Bavumile to that man. But so nomxolela nini kanene utata for what he did. You forgetting you guys also made mistakes. You lied and said Bavumile umntanakhe lo uLazarus, but you lied. Zoleka was furious. She almost hit uQhawe ngempama, but uLazarus stopped him. And then uQhawe goes to see Isithembu sakhe. Surprise ke ngoku uQhawe meets up with Onga and Mawethu. It was so awkward. Onga was even suggesting that he wants to introduce uQhawe to Umawake. uQhawe was like, nope, I'm not ready to pursue a relationship. I just want to figure myself out after this whole heart transplant. Angasavuyanga Umawethu because Onga was now realizing, so you are breaking up with me. Athi ewe. Yo, Mawethu was so happy. And then Lillian got caught because she was busy with this cyber fraud yakhe, trying to hack a Khusela. Kanti uSydney overheard them noLinda talking and set a trap on them, and they told uZoleka noLaz. They called the police and they went and found them red-handed. They got arrested again for a fraud, and uSydney was happy, saying kuba he's happy that he could help. The only thing that he wants is for them to leave to the non-compete so that he can work for his family and provide. Ngapha uLazarus set up a whole beautiful romantic Valentine's dinner for Zoleka. Kanti guy wants to propose. He wrote an entire speech, so beautiful, saying Zoleka is his peace. An answered prayer to prayers he didn't even know he needed how to pray for. Like they've survived a whole lot of things, and asked her to marry him again and choose him, and let him love her the way that she deserves to be loved. And this time around, Kesana uZoleka agreed and said yes to marrying uLaz. And yes, now we've got umtshato kaBhikitsha Ncukana. Kusazoba mnandi uHlathi is Thumeka, they're going through the most, probably divorcing, or Thumeka is just nje sad for now. But uLazarus uthola ifumana intombi ke uzoba uNgqukana uZoleka. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.